Now this will be the basic game that we'll be creating. It's a numbered guessing game. It has easy, medium, hard, and expert. Some of the UX needs to improve, but the idea is this is a fundamental of some PHP coding. There's opportunity for you to add more personalized criteria or self-determined criteria that you can expand this program later. So we're going to take you right through all the process to get this to work. So if you enter in easy, you can then enter your guess. And if you put in like 5 in the middle, it says too low. So I might then go to 8. And then it says too low. So then I'm going to go to 9. And because the number's between 1 and 10, I know the number now must be 10. Winner, play again. When I click on play again, I go back to the start. If I click on hard, this is between 1 and 1,000. So I can put in 500. And it's too high, I might put in 150. Too low, and then if I put in the correct answer, 187, and go submit, it goes winner, play again. You notice that I'm not counting the number of guesses. I could track the amount of time. I could have a high score table on how many guesses, etc. They're sort of things that are opportunistic for you to add to this project at a later stage. That gives you a brief outline. So how do we design the layout for this game? Let's have a look at that. Now I'm just using an OBXD to set up the page just so we can draw some basic things. Now I have a pretty simple layout to this web page. So I've got the header section, which is at the top. I also have a footer section, which is at the bottom. And then I've got the main area in the middle. So in the middle part, we had easy, we had medium, we had hard, and we had expert. So we can line those up. So we can also create graphics to place in this. So then we can label the files. So what ends up happening up the top here, I'm going to have a file called header.php. This will contain the title that'll appear on the page. I'm going to have another file down here called footer.php. And then this one here will actually be called menu.php. And so index.php will include these 3 files. So what I need to do is create this. You notice from the example, it had a gradient background. We also use graphics to turn these buttons into something more appealing to the end user, and also the footer had a basic instruction set. So let's go and start coding this structure for the high-low game.